Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to view your bank statement on the Standard Bank app in 2025. With updated features for better security and user experience, this is a game changer for managing your money on the go. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying on top of your transactions, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Standard Bank app installed on your smartphone. If not, head to your app store and update it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your secure credentials. Remember, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Statements tab. It's usually front and center. Tap on it and you'll see a list of your linked accounts. Select the one you want to view statements for, like your checking or savings account. Next, choose the time period you're interested in. The app lets you select custom date ranges, such as the last month, quarter, or even a full year, making it super flexible for 2025's enhanced interface. After selecting your date range, hit the View Statement button. You'll see a detailed breakdown of your transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and any fees. You can zoom in for more details or even download the statement as a PDF directly to your device. Pro tip: if you need to share it for tax purposes, the app now has a secure sharing option. Just tap the share icon and follow the prompts. One common issue people face is app glitches, so if something doesn't load, try refreshing your connection or logging out and back in. And always double-check for any app updates, as Standard Bank rolls out improvements regularly. There you have it. That's how you effortlessly view your bank statement on the Standard Bank app in 2025. It's quick, secure, and empowers you to take control of your finances. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.